to the programming minds. So in this video we are going to start our first data structure, which is array. So let's get started. Array is used to store multiple elements of same data type into single unit or variable. So array is like a variable which will use to store the multiple elements of same data type. Okay, so it is linear data structure where elements get stored in continuous memory blocks. So while adding elements in array, the elements get stored in continuous memory location. That means it will not take random locations in memory blocks. It's stored in continuous memory locations. Okay, so it is index based data structure. Indexing in array always start from 0. Elements of array can be accessed by using indexes. So syntax of array in C++ is as a following. So while declaring array, we need to declare first data type. Then we will take array name. We will mention the array size, that is total number of elements stored in array, into the square brackets, and we will use is equal to sign. Then we will store elements of array into the curly braces like I have shown here. We are storing element 1, element 2 and so on in the curly braces. Types of array. So there are two types of array. One is single dimensional array and second is multi-dimensional array. So let's understand single dimensional array. So I have given one example, int array. So here it is, array name is itself array, and we are storing integer variables. We will be storing 5 elements here, and the elements are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. As it is index based data structure, so 10 is stored at 0th position, 20 is stored at first position, then second, third and fourth. So let's understand multidimensional array. So I have given one example here, int array, and I have given 2 in first square bracket, and then I have given 3 in the second square bracket. That means the elements of multidimensional array get stored in tabular format. So as shown here, we have stored total 6 elements, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Okay, and we will understand that implementation in next video. And you want to understand the implementation, you can skip this video and you can directly watch to the second video. So let's go to the next slide. Advantages of array. So very easy to access elements in array. So it is very easy to access any element in the array because it is index based data structure, and we can use that index and we can directly access the elements from an array. Searching is also easy in array because it is index based. Okay, so it is efficient data structure for storing same type of multiple data that we have understood. Okay, so let's go to the next. Disadvantages of array. Number of elements stored in array should be known at the start. Okay, so this is the first disadvantage of array. So we in the while declaring the any array, we need to keep in mind the size of that array before the implementation, and we cannot mention it after implementation. Okay, array is static data structure. We cannot add or delete new elements after declaration. So yeah, this is the most important disadvantages of array because it is static. We cannot add or insert or delete any element from the array after the implementation of array or the declaration of that array, or after taking that elements in array we cannot insert new items because it is static, it is not dynamic. Okay, we have different dynamic data structures like linked list, or we can take it as a graph. Okay, but it is not dynamic, it is static data structure. Okay, so this was the for this video. We understood the array, and in upcoming videos, I will be sharing the implementation of C++ programming language, and we will implement the array using C++. Okay, so subscribe to the Programming Minds YouTube channel. Thank you.